my name's Erin. I'm a travel writer, a food photographer, and a busy mum of two. And what I've got in my hot little hands, the NextBase dash cam. I'm gonna go try it out, see if it makes my life a little bit easier.
Guys, look how small it is. Barely 15 centimeters. It's so easy to put together. Comes with a suction cap and a mounting base. That little piece there slots in here. It's got a magnet, so it just clicks right in. Look at that. And it's ready to put up on my windscreen. Stick the suction cap there. Done. As soon as I start my car, it automatically turns on. And even automatically starts filming. That's pretty cool. I don't have to worry about it. I can just set it and forget it.
It films ahead of me in a 140-degree viewing angle, so the dash cam gets the whole entire picture. The camera has a 6G lens and records video in full 1080p high definition, which means it picks up the smallest details like road signs, which, could be pretty handy in the aftermath of an accident. If I do have an accident, I can easily send the footage of my dash cam straight to my insurer with the press of a button. Recently, I had to go to the airport and leave my car in an airport parking lot. It always makes me a little bit nervous because I never know how my car's gonna be when I return. But I had no idea that the dash cam actually automatically records anything that comes close to your car with its intelligent parking mode. That was a feature that I was really impressed with. If I had to rate the NextBase dash cam, I'm going with a 9 out of 10.